Hi, Norma. I think this is a good idea, um, but remember you can't use graphics. So, and I guess you could use their logo since it's just type. Um, but it would be difficult to make it look humorous because of the fonts you chose, like Futura. I do love that font, but it's pretty, like it has sort of a 1940s feel and it's kind of conservative. There's nothing fun about it, which is fine, but that puts a responsibility on you um, to be more of an animator and make it entertain that way. So if you could pull that off, I'm all for it. It really shows some skill. If you want to make your life just a little easier, then I recommend um, going to a free font site and maybe pair the Futura with something a little more decorative. So maybe brush would work since you're looking for something that's sort of fat, like a blob of toothpaste. You could do it all red animation with sort of white, thick letters to give the impression. And then you could have serious or more readable areas with your Futura. But anyway, take a look through this site or another one like it that you probably know about and see if you can find something that works with that idea. So expand your wings a little bit. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to this development.